iLight Singapore opens today on 31st May 2024. 今晚想帶屋企人同埋大家出嚟睇下新加坡夜繽紛，有啲咩好玩好食先。Welcome to the spectacular iLight Singapore, Asia's leading sustainable light art festival. Held annually at Marina Bay, this event transforms the heart of Singapore into a mesmerizing playground of light and art. This year's iLight Festival features an array of innovative installations created by artists from around the world. Each piece uses energy-saving lighting or environmentally friendly materials, highlighting the importance of sustainability and creativity. Our first stop is this very interesting swing that comes with lots of colorful lights and sounds. Listen. This fun and interesting installation is actually from Thailand. It's called Fountain of Happiness. And look at this spectacular view of the Marina Bay Sands. And now we're at this amazing installation from Australia. It's called Iwagumi Airscape. This installation is inspired by the Japanese art form of Iwagumi, emphasizing on the raw, humble beauty of nature. 估唔估到呢啲石頭裏邊係咩嚟嘅呢？其實係一塊布，裏邊呢係充氣嘅。Next is Bob the Nice Guy from Thailand. If you know Bob already, you would know that he is actually quite a famous guy on social media. Here we have an installation from Singapore called Liminal Minimal. This structure was made with wooden beams and also discarded dust nettings from urban construction waste. And here we are looking at another highlight of the event. It's called Arc Zero Nimbus. To my kids, the highlight of this trip is this place, Gastro Beats, where they can find a feast of flavors and great live music. 呢度嘅夜繽紛呢又好有氣氛㗎喎，周圍行下望下大家食啲乜嘢啊，仲有 live music 喺背後，啲嘢又真係幾好食㗎喎。咁我就揀咗一大杯嘅檸檬甘蔗汁，同埋食咗全冰糖葫蘆，仲有食咗啲生蠔，同埋有啲鴨。sorry 唔係，呢個係寵物嚟嘅，唔食得嘅。Now we've arrived at the MBS shopping mall. Remember to go and check out the lower promenade of Marina Bay Sands where you will find the Conscious Festival Marketplace. And there I find my good friend Patrick Churi. Remember I told you about their sustainable hair and body care products? And now this is definitely the highlight for me, the Singapore Light and Water Show. The show is on at 8 and 9 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday, 8, 9 and 10 p.m. for Fridays and Saturdays. 好啦，我唔阻住大家，俾大家欣賞下先。 Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and give me a comment. I'll be very happy to hear from you. 希望好快又有機會再次同大家分享更多新加坡有趣嘅事啊！多謝大家，拜拜。